Or weapons in hand.
A shotgun. Woo! Shotgun. Shotgun.
I gotta say, the people outside suck because the guy came up the door that we just came into. They fucking suck out there.
I mean, we've already established that they're useless. If the cutscenes did anything.
Hey, the nerd did some good work.
Sven was like...
Yeah, he
Sven
at
was
least tried to do body cover. Or buddy cover, sorry.
Yeah. He was putting in effort.
I'm sorry.
Everybody else was kind of just standing there waiting to get shot.
Can I fucking ask, who Looney Tune these poor fucks with the plant?
Shotgun.